those of you who know me, I'm a strong believer that collaboration across the supply chain is the key to success. So what better example to set for us as breeders, 9 of them, to organize our open house at the same time in the same week during Dianthus Land. Well, what can you find here at Dümmen Orange? Well, it's the result of 3/4 of a century of breeding in Dianthus, where we show you the money makers like your red standards, white standards, but also different other types of crops like your Barbatus. We have fillers like Limonium. And of course, we're showing novelties, and who doesn't like novelties? We have vintage colors, spray varieties, bicolors, anything you name it. So, if you want to know how you can be successful with Dümmen Orange and its varieties, make sure you stay connected to us on social media. So, and finally, see you on the next one.